Hello, my name is Richard Thomason, and I'm at a camp meeting right now, and I have my booth up here. And I know that there's a lot of people who like to study the Bible and have study aids, and I produce a lot of vinyl charts, and I also make some of these charts here that they're like a cardboard, but they're plastic and they're hard, and you can set them down beside a pulpit, pick them up and use them if you want to, or whatever. And they're double-sided, these ones are. And so I have the 1843, 1850 chart. I have the Great Reformatory movements, all the movements in the history. Ellen White says that all reformatory movements are all the same. And so you can see in the days of Noah, there was similarities with the days of Moses and Elijah, Nehemiah, Jesus, Miller, and today. So these things are good to study because the Bible's been trying to tell us things that we're not paying attention to because we read it as a book from cover to cover, and we need to use proof texting, and we need to take these lessons and put them all together. That's why we have 4 Gospels. You take all 4 Gospels together and you get a different picture than you read any one by itself. Here's a Millerite history parallel in which we have the Millerite history and how it parallels with our day, so we can know by looking at what happened back then what's going to happen today. Now if you're unfamiliar with these things or it's new to you, then look into it. Look on the internet. There's lots of videos. I have some laminates that are double-sided. They all have different things on each side. And so this here is William Miller's dream. This is a dream that William Miller had of the light that he found in the Bible. And this here is William Miller's 14 rules of interpretation. Rules that keep you from getting into fanaticism and studying the Bible and coming up with crazy interpretations. Islam is a part of Bible prophecy. It is on the 1850 chart. Here is Islam, and Islam, it's part of the chapter 9 of Revelation. Islam is also on the 1843 chart. This is Adventist history. If you have never seen these charts, and you don't know what they are the foundation of the faith in which you believe, if you are a Seventh-day Adventist. This here is the J.B. Himes chart, which was the one that J.B. Himes, the author of the 1843 chart, is J.B. Himes. He first made this one, and then God helped him in the publishment of this one, and Ellen White has some quotes on that, about the publishment of that. And so, as I said, they have these large vinyls. These are a little bit smaller. This is a medium size, or small size. We have the two-sided cardboard, and that comes in a small size, about the size of this laminate, about 11 by 17. This one happens to be one-sided. That was my old ones. And as I said, I have double-sided ones, laminated 11 by 17. So if you'd like to get any of these materials for yourself, or you want to give them as a gift or whatever, or if you have any questions, even if you have any doctrinal questions, I'm willing to answer anything you ask. And my name is Richard Thomason, and my phone number is 253-732-4699.